I just wanted some spaghetti.
Well, why didn't you say so?
Mmm. Excuse me. Mmm. Man, that hit the spot. Oh, come on. Now I get the hiccups.
There you go, Lemmy.